Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's good to have you back here. Today we're gonna do a lower body routine. So before we begin, if you now have subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a workout nor a video. Now with that said, let's get right into it. All you're gonna be needing is your mat and lots of energy. So okay you guys, we're gonna lay down on our mat facing up. Now before I continue, don't forget to have your screen where you can follow along, so you can see the screen and you can follow along. Now we're gonna keep our feet apart. Bring your hips up to a shoulder bridge position. Bring one leg off the floor straight all the way up, and then we're just gonna move our hips up and down. Now let's go for 20 here. Go. There you go, 5 more. Now you have to feel this one on your lower glute. There you go. Switch. Let's go for the left leg. And let's go. Hips up and down. Good job, you guys. Bring your hips down. Good job, you guys. Now in the same position, bring your legs together. Try to keep your knees together. We have done this in previous videos. If you want to check them out, there's somewhere corner. Now, let's go and just bring our hips up and down. Same movement, but this is gonna target a different muscles. So let's continue bringing up and down your hips. Good job, you guys. Give me 5 more. Good job. Okay. Now, same position. I know. We're gonna go all the way up to a shoulder bridge. This time, keep your legs apart. Now, this is gonna be medium intense. It's not gonna be like super advanced exercise. What we're gonna be doing is walking with our legs and then coming back. Now when you do this, try to keep your hips really off the ground. Squeeze your glute. Let's continue. Walk and come back. Good job. Let's go. Walk and come back. Try to stretch your legs when you walk. You really reach out and then come back up, keeping the position of your hips up. There you go. Continue with the movement. Walk and come back. Walk and come back. Jump. Just one more and come back. Lower down your hips. bring your legs one more time together, and let's just do this exercise that's the inner thigh one more time. So up and down with your hips. There you go. 5 more. That's it. This is the last one. Good job, you guys. We're gonna stand up for a little bit. Then we're gonna go to the side. Now this one is my favorite. We're gonna keep one leg bent. The other one is straight. You can start with the left or with the right. It doesn't matter as long as you do both sides. And then you can keep this arm maybe behind your neck. You can bring out your hip, whatever you feel comfortable. And we're just gonna do a nice series here. We're gonna bring our leg up and down. That's it. Let's go. There you go, 5 more. That's it, stay. Now keep me baby circles to the back. Now to the front. That's it. And now we're gonna hold it. It's probably burning right now, but just hold it here. This is not the whole series. We're just gonna do this one more exercise and rest. Good. Now let's go for the other side. That's it. Left bend, straight, your left or your right. Left, keep your arm whatever you feel it comfortable. And let's go up and down. That's it. 5 more. Good. Give me circles to the back. Now let's go forward. And let's hold it. It's probably shaking. Mine is shaking, so hold it. And rest. Okay, now we're gonna go in a resting position because that probably is giving you a nice shake on your glute. Good job, you guys. Now this is the fastest lower body routine I've ever done, and probably you have too. But it was really efficient. I mean, if I felt it, probably you did as well. Now, if you like this, you can do and repeat this video as many times as you want to the same routine, so you can have a more intense workout. Or if you want to go and check all the videos so you can work out all the parts of your body as well, you can do that too. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a workout. And we like to hear from you. Let us know what else you want to do, like maybe workout, some recipes, daily life tips. You let us know. And we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!